So first things first, I'm going to separate all of my stickers into categories. So I have my monthlies, then I also have my weekly stickers that go on the weekly sections as well. Everything set up, I'm going to pick out my washi tape and everything else I need. Have a few things written in here because I needed to remember things. And for some of my weeklies, I actually have little stickers of my favorite Adventure Time episodes of Wake Up, The Lich, Be More, King Worm, and then I have this little sticker of my favorite character, Peppermint Butler, and how he's reading a Dark Magic 101 book. Little Friday spacers. These show Finn and Jake's Treehouse, and it has the lyrics here of Come Along With Me. So what I like to do, I like to put these on my Friday spacers. So these are just gonna land right here, and it's gonna go throughout the month. That's why I used the same image in order to do all 5 of the weekends. I actually thought it would be cute to do Finn and Jake's, or Finn's sword, so I have Finn's sword Scarlet, and then I also have the Finn sword here, and then I also have the Dungeon sword, and I'm going to be using these bi-weekly. guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really liked this video, please hit the subscribe button below. See ya!